Let me tell you something.
Thank God for detox.
You remember at the beginning when you put this thing together?
Hold it down for the streets.
That's you. You run this shit, man. And you never forget. No one can do it better than you, Snoopy. Okay? The world is yours. The world is in your hands, okay? And you control it now. Because G's up and holds down. And the rest can eat a dick.
It's like everywhere I look and everywhere I go, I'm hearing motherfuckers trying to steal my flow. But it ain't no thing, cause see my nigga Coolio put the up on the game when I stepped in the door. You know, some of you niggas is so deceptive, using my styles like a contraceptive. I hope you get burnt. Seems you haven't learned, it's the knick-knack, paddywhack. I still got the biggest sack, so put your gun away, run away, cause I'm back. Why? Hit 'em up, get 'em up, split 'em up now. Tell me what's going on, it make me wanna holler cause my bitch is coming ozone's known for the break off, so take off your clothes and quit trying to spit at my motherfucking hoes. Speaking of hoes, I kick in the doors, put my nuts on your chin and the story goes. Why do bitch ass niggas always talk shit but don't when it's time to get wrecked, checked and ripped? I knew he was a hoe, ready to turn a trick, and I could tell from his lips that my dick was fit. I split gums. You didn't know dumb diddy dumb, and my shit do harm, so run, ring the alarm. I thought you knew I'm loony like Tony Montana, in the mix running shit, oops, and the smoothest, coolest, rudest, you know, on a kamikaze mission.
Ooh, if I can be like Snoop.
Keep wishing, listen, put my balls in your jaws, make room to put my dick in.
Right now, Dr. Dre to talk more about the Beat brand headphones, along with the chairman of Interscope Records, Jimmy Iovine. Good to have you on the program, gentlemen. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Maria.
I'm great. Dr. Dre, these headphones seem extremely popular with athletes.